Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to provide you with a couple of solutions if you have been experiencing a black screen recently on Microsoft Edge, especially when scrolling up and down. So guys, if your Microsoft Edge web browser keeps going black screen, let me show you what you may do to fix this issue. So the first step would be to simply turn off hardware acceleration on your web browser, on your Edge web browser, to check if hardware acceleration is enabled or disabled. Simply follow my instructions. What you want to do, guys, is launch Microsoft Edge. Click on that button top right corner here in these three dots and select settings from that drop down menu. And inside your browser settings, head over to System and Performance here to the left. And here in the System and Performance section, you will see that feature here, use graphics acceleration when available. So if that's necessary, guys, you may turn it off or switch it off here to the left and see if that has fixed the issue. You will need to restart the Microsoft Edge browser to apply these changes, of course. So do that to see if it has fixed the issue. If that's not the case, guys, it may turn out to be necessary to reinstall or to modify Microsoft Edge as an application on your computer, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what you want to do, guys, depending on the operating system you're using, head over to the list of applications that are installed on your PC, search for Microsoft Edge, right or left click on it, and you will see an option called modify or uninstall. As you can see, it is in Polish for me, but it will be in English for you. So simply click on modify, confirm, and let your computer simply repair and modify Microsoft Edge with the proper settings. That process is going to take a couple of moments, usually 2 or 3 minutes, but it may help you solve the issue. So guys, that's basically it. That is solution number 2. I hope I could provide some value in that video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.